Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I am going to be making a recipe. Well, look at the ingredients and tell me if you can guess what I'm making. I've got cheese, I've got ricotta, I've got my homemade, my canned tomatoes, and I got some shells. So y'all know what we're doing. We are going to be making some stuffed shells. Honey, the country way. I am not authentic Italian, but I do enjoy it. I know what's good.
Yeah.
And so we gonna stuff these and do it my way.
Yeah.
So I have got the jumbo shells so far, and I have boiled them right here. Got them cooled off. Got them boiled here. Y'all do that. Y'all ever stick it in the pan, drain it? Those are ready to go. I've got my oven set at about 375 and got these ready to go. So first I am going to just mix up the filling. So move all this stuff out the way. Good Lord, I'm gonna put my onions back there. Now I've got me some ground beef and some sweet Italian sausage. We're going to mix it up. So we're going to be cooking that with them onions right there.
Man.
I've got 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Got it shredded up. And I've got me some Parmesan cheese here. So here we go. And I know this looks like a lot of ingredients, but most it's just spices and stuff. So maybe you would have some on hand. And, you know, you could always improvise if you don't have one thing, or if you don't, like if you don't have Italian, you might have oregano and all the other stuff that goes with it. But we're going to start with this is a 15 ounce of ricotta cheese. Y'all know I ain't throwing that container away. Whoop. Honey, that's going to go on to do better things.
Don't worry, I'll get rid of it.
No, he will not. One egg.
I'm just kidding.
He won't. No. He not listen. He knows. He knows the deal by now. And I'm gonna go ahead.
Yes, I do. I have learned.
I'm just gonna put a little
we don't be throwing
salt, a little pepper. You just do that to your taste. We're gonna put a little garlic powder, maybe about a teaspoon of that. Now I do have some garlic back there too. We're gonna put in that sauce. Some onion powder, about the same thing, about a teaspoon of that. Now I've got some parsley. Now I love fresh parsley, fresh chopped parsley and basil. But you know, if you don't have it this time of year,
yeah.
You don't have it. So
but what it is that time of year is, man.
Always that time of year.
What? I'm ready for
some
this.
Good old tomatoes. That's right. Good old tomatoes. So we'll put, let's see, put about a tablespoon of that in there. And we're going to put some basil. This is good in the grocery store when you don't have that. And this looks just like the fresh. So we're going to put about a tablespoon of basil. And smells, honey, it's fresh.
I can smell it from over here.
Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, now we're going to just whisk this little egg and this ricotta cheese up before we add some more cheese to it. The cheesier the better.
Man.
Now, I will also say, in this, you can add some spinach. Russ doesn't love spinach.
I don't. It's
He's
not my
not
favorite.
a huge fan.
Popeye was not my favorite cartoon character.
I know it's good for you. Now, I love cream spinach. I like spinach. We eat it in salads. We do.
Yeah, I eat a lot of raw spinach.
The greens.
I do.
Yeah. And you probably drink them in your little greens every day.
Yeah, I do.
So he gets his little.
I probably get a good bit of spinach actually.
Yes. Now we are going to put about half a cup. I didn't get my little measuring cup, but y'all know how I roll. About a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna make it cheesy, honey. Now we gotta save some of that cheese for you know, to put on top as well. So I got maybe about a cup and a half. We'll just see what we got here, see if it's looking right. If not, honey, we'll add something else to it.
Looking pretty good to me.
We'll do it.
Man. Looking
Now,
like that's gonna be some kind of goodness inside the shell to me.
I hope so. All right, now I am going to start the sauce. So get yourself together and come on back and we'll cook that sauce. All right, y'all. Y'all know every good Italian dish starts with a little olive oil, right? So we got us some olive oil there. We're going to start browning these little onions, getting us some flavor.
Flavor time.
Yes, indeed. Ooh, they already smell good. Law, just hit me in the face.
Yeah.
Put a little more oil in there. Oh, I also forgot to, I just looked at it. I put a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and some oregano. So,
Into your filling.
into my filling. I said, Lord, I know I'm forgetting something. That's how it is when you...
Yeah, she tasted it and she's like, it's missing something.
Yeah, I did.
And realized it was missing something.
It was really missing something. Just going to brown these up just a little bit. You smell them?
Yes, I smell them.
So good.
Yeah.
So good. Up, one jumped out the pot. He got loose. He jumped ship.
Uh-oh.
They're browning up pretty quickly.
Yeah. Ooh, look at them caramelized.
Yummy.
Ooh, wee.
Yep. Goodness.
That is looking yummy, y'all.
All right, now we're going to add a little bit of garlic. If you got some fresh one, obviously that's better. Good old garlic. I'm going to add just a little bit in there. About a good tablespoon. Get that out the way. Now it really is going to be fragrant.
Yeah.
You don't want to cook that garlic too long. You'll cook it too much and then it gives off kind of a bitter flavor. All right, we've got hamburger meat going in. Got about a half a pound of each for that. And then I've got the sweet Italian. That's going to give it some good flavor. About a half a pound of that. Yum, yum. Now, I'm not actually going to stuff it with the meat, although you can. We could do it a little different. Let me get my little meat thingy here. We are going to put this on the bottom and then those cheesy shells on top. And it's going to be good. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. I'm going to add all the flavor and all the seasoning that I put in the cheese mixture. We're going to put right in here too. Double up on that flavor. We got some parsley. I got some basil. Actually, I'm going to wait and put the basil in the sauce. Got some onion powder. Now, just because it's got that onion in it, honey, the onion powder gives it a whole different layer of flavor. So don't think, oh, I already got onion. Now, you can leave it that way. Garlic as well. And we're going to put this oregano in here. I love oregano. That's my favorite. My favorite of all of it. Get this browned up. Yummy. Already got my tomatoes popped and ready to go. I hope one jar is going to do it. If not, we got another one. We got more. Now, if you, this is just tomatoes. So we are going to flavor this just like a marinara, I guess you'd say. But, so you can do everything I'm doing with just crushed tomatoes or tomatoes out the can. And if you want to skip that step, you can just use marinara or spaghetti sauce. You can use something that you just buy. You pop the jar and go, honey. I ain't mad at you because, hey, it's easy. Sometimes we just don't have the time to be doing all that, do we?
No, we don't.
We don't.
Sometimes time
I know
don't
I
allow.
don't.
That's right.
I don't. Sometimes, yes. We got to have something quick. Quick in a hurry. All right. Time for the tomatoes. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Now I'm going to put just a little water in here, honey, and get all that goodness up out of here. We just got just a little bit. Clean the jar out. All right, now I'm going to put this basil in here. I love basil. I just love the taste of basil. And I'm going to go with maybe about a large tablespoon, a healthy tablespoon in here. One of my kind of tablespoons. And we are just going to let this simmer. And I'm going to taste it, see if it's got enough seasoning in it. It's good. Very good. I think I'm going to put a little more oregano. You just season with your heart, honey, how you like it. We're just going to let this simmer for just a minute. And it'll be ready to start stuffing them shells and getting this put together. All right, y'all. I got my little pasta, my little shell stuffing station ready. And we are going to start with this casserole dish. We are going to just pour some of that sauce down there on the bottom. Just give it a little spread. Just like this. Just like so.
Layering it in like a lasagna.
Yep, kind of like that.
All right.
Now, we are going to start our shells. Now, I'm saving some of that sauce. We're going to put some on the top of it too, so they don't dry out. But I got my little shell here, and we are going to stuff it. Now, like I said, I cook these al dente, so they will cook a little more in the oven. Come on, little fella, open up.
All right now.
Say cheese.
Yeah. Cheese.
Literally.
Cheese.
That's what they look like. We're just going to layer these. Now, I won't drag y'all on, make y'all watch all of this, but I do like mine nice and cheesy. What about y'all?
Yeah, man. Stuff that thing.
Yes.
Ooh.
So, I'm going to get these stuffed, and when I'm done with that, I'll show you what we're doing next. All right, y'all, we had just a few little shells left. I could have made a little more extra cheese stuff, but I didn't. So we got what we got. So now we are going to just go in with all this yummy sauce right over the top. Look at that.
What? That's goodness looking.
Yes. Now you could do this totally without meat and just do the sauce and just layer it with sauce for a vegetarian meal.
Wow, it looks delicious.
You could do this with turkey for a little cheaper meal. Uh-oh, I'm spilling it.
It'll be all right.
All kind of variations. You just have to suit what's in your household. Make them happy. Like I said, this is my way, country style, honey.
Oh, we're gonna
Nothing fancy.
Get down with this. I can't wait.
Nothing fancy. We do love Italian food. We really do.
We really do.
Any kind of pasta. Ooh,
Ooh.
you got me.
Got us.
All right, I'm going to we're gonna sprinkle with the rest of this mozzarella cheese here, and we're gonna use this Parmesan cheese too. Yummy.
Cheesy delicious.
Yes, indeed.
Man.
Yummy stuff. Get it all spread out there. Now I'm going to cover this and cook it. I've got my oven set at 375. We're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. We don't want anything to dry out or any of that, but we go seal it, let all those the egg and stuff on the inside cook good. Then we go take the foil off in about 20 minutes and just let it cook for about 10 minutes more. So, and we'll have supper, y'all. Really not It didn't take that long at all. I think I'll put a little bit of a little drizzle of basil on top. Just like that, because I do love me some basil. Maybe a little sprinkle of oregano. Anyway, I'll stop. I'm going to get this in the oven so we can eat soon. There she is, y'all. Well, right out the oven. Boys, it's smelling good.
Man, what? I'm ready to throw down.
I'm ready to dig in. I'm hungry. We're ready for supper. All right, y'all. Supper's ready. Got this cheesy stuffed shells ready to dig in.
And I'm ready to dig in. Very, very
Tell
hungry.
us what you think, Russell.
Ooh, look at that cheese pull.
Now I've got some little toasted bread. Remember that bread I only used half of for my little $1?
Oh my goodness.
It's good.
Oh,
Very good.
honey.
Restaurant quality.
I imagine going down some gondolas and
Oh my.
first-rate Italian, y'all. Yeah. No, actually, the tomatoes is what makes it. Oh my goodness, it's just like summertime.
Yes. I always love popping them tops on them tomatoes. Y'all ain't nothing like it.
It's so good.
Nothing like it. And I have just a little hint of sugar in the tomatoes too. So I was going to say that in the sauce if you want to just put a little bit of sugar. He likes it. He approves.
Fat boy happy.
That did fat girl dance.
Yeah.
And this was not real hard to put together, y'all. It looked like a lot, but it really comes together quick. And you got your big old whole honking casserole dish full.
It's cheesy.
So,
The noodles are tender. The sauce is delicious, y'all. I mean, it would be good with any kind of sauce,
Yeah.
to be honest. But I think with it being on the bottom, it lets the bottom of the noodles like permeate, get the sauce
Sucks
in.
up,
Yeah,
absorbs
it
the
like
flavor.
absorbs it. Yeah,
well, how about that?
it's very good.
Well, I am glad. And y'all, I hope you try this. And let us know what you think if you do.
Yeah, get in them comments. Let us know, y'all.
Yep. So another easy little supper
Yeah.
that just about anybody can throw together. So nothing fancy here.
No,
But
but good. Fancy.
goodness.
Not fancy,
Yes.
but very, very good.
And I'd rather good over fancy any kind
Absolutely.
of times.
Yep.
I will tell you that right now. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for hanging out with us. And until next time.
Ciao!